Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be trying out the angleworm. They were sold out of these when I got the rest of my gulp, so I seen them back in stock, so now I'm going to give them a shot. I've got one rigged up, but I wanted to show you in the jar how they come here. It's kind of like sausage links. You just rip one off, and I've threaded it onto a trout magnet jig head, mainly because that's what I already had tied on. But I'm going to see how it works. Got a little one. Oh. Seem to like that pretty well. Oh, another one. See if we can get 3 in a row. Yep. This one's a little better. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this worm already. That's 3 fish and 3 casts. Oh. Ate like half our worm. I just wanted to take a moment and talk about these angleworms here. They've been doing pretty well. I've liked using them, and I think I'm going to start keeping them. The only thing is, I could only get them in this red wiggler color. Like a natural color I think would be a little bit better, but they're working, so I think I would get them again. And most of the fish I've been catching, they've just been getting it as soon as it falls. But I can see why. If I was a fish, I would go after that too. Oh man, that's a big one. Whoa. Man, just trying to get a good look at him. I don't want to get spiked by this one. Get that hook out, buddy. Almost. There we go. That was a good one. Try to get some more like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video today and go get something to eat. But I had a good time with this little worm, and I think I'm going to keep it as a part of my regular arsenal now. I'm going to try to find them in that natural color like I was saying. But yeah, if you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. I put new videos out every Sunday.